Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to present and explain more details about our hotel reservation and management system. Our group consists 3 members, me, Raihan, Dina, and Marcellus. Firstly, our proposed project summary is we are going to develop a system that will provide customers with different type of hotel rooms depends on the size, the ambience, and the number of people staying in. It's either a big family or just only a person. There will be food services included with their own price. The user needs to fill in the booking form as for the check-in and check-out date. Those who already booked their reservation will receive their booking receipt with a hotel room number and the booking details via their email. The objective of the project are to set up the customer details, to set out check-in and check-out date, to calculate price for each room, to calculate total price for food service, to calculate total price of booking order. Next is analysis. For an input, name, email, room number, phone number, code, reservation, room quantity, room, total price, room price, total night, total food price, total net, price food, code food, and food answer. Then process is calculate total price, calculate total night, calculate total food price, and calculate total net. Last one is output, which is name, email, room quantity, and total net.
Hello, my name is Dina, so I'm going to explain about the pseudocode. This program will start by displaying welcome to Hotel Bintang as it's shown. So, the user needs to enter their name, phone number, and their email to proceed the reservation. Then, the user will be shown their code room with the room type including their price. Then, it will display the user would they like to proceed to make a reservation or not. So if it's a yes, the user needs to choose the room quantity and pick the room code. The room code depends on the room size or type, and their price will be different too. And it will display the user would they like to proceed to make a reservation or not. If it's a yes, the user needs to choose the room quantity and pick the room code. So the room code depends on the room size or type, and their price will be different. So the bigger the room is, the higher the price that the user will get. And if the user entered the room code, it will display thank you for visiting Hotel Bintang. However, it also displays the total night the user wants to stay, and it will require the user to pay the total amount of the reservation. And then the user needs to enter their room code, and as for example, code 1 is for single room and it's following the price, and code 2 is for a twin room, and code 3 is for a triple room, and the last code is for double room. And then it will display how many nights would the user like to stay in, and they will get it will display the current amount that the user needs to pay, including the total price of the room, including how many nights they need to stay in. And second, food services will be prepared as I said, and then there are four food court services that will be prepared, which is code 1 is for breakfast, code 2 is for lunch, code 3 is for tea time, and the last one is for dinner. And it requires the user to enter the food code, and they will get their food, and they will receive the total price of their food, and then they will pay for the food and then get the receipt for the food that they have been ordered. And then thank you for staying at our hotel will be displayed, and the user will receive a receipt of the total of their reservation, and it will display their full name, their email, their room type, including the room that they have been ordered, and the total price of their reservation of the hotel.
Hi, my name is Marcellus and I'm going to present our source code. This is our source code where we will begin with the function prototype where it will be void menu. To start the process, the types of variables that we use is string, char, and int. For the menu to come up, we use function menu to bring it up. Then we put up an input to get the customer information. Next, for the room reservation, we're using if statement. And for array, we're using 5 types of rooms, which is single, twin, triple, double, and queen. For the selection room and calculation, we're using the if statement, same goes to the night stay. After getting the user night stay, a function for food service will come out, and the user need to state up their answer, either they want the food service or not. If the input is yes, then the food menu service will come out, where we use if statement for the selection of food and for the calculation. To end it, the process will display out the receipt, which going to bring back the customer information and the total net for the customer to pay. This is the void menu from our function prototype, where it will display our hotel name and the type of room that is available in our hotel. This is going to be the sample output, where the first sample output is going to be Adam Lim, and the second output is going to be Siti Aina.